Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm super excited for this model as this has been released for about 2 months now and just got it off the Alaska company store, so I'm very excited to see what it is. And yep, as you saw in the title, this is technically a retro model, but it has a retro livery. That's the catch. But yeah, let's see it. Maybe you've already guessed it just from my other videos, but let's go ahead, let's start unboxing it. Here we have the model box. Alrighty, and here we have the model box. Yes, I ordered the Alaska Horizon Air, Embraer E175, and the retro livery. Yes, this super cool aircraft livery. I'm really glad I got this, and let's get started with the box. Simple stuff. This is a regular Gemini200 box. Gemini200 logo up here. Aircraft down here, Embraer E175, 1-to-2 scale die-cast model, and the item number Golf 2 Alpha Sierra Alpha 1205. The bottom here, which is new for Gemini jets, there's no, it's a magnet now. There's not any clip thing here anymore. Both the sides are the same. You get the clipboard of the model, Gemini200 logo, 100-2 scale die-cast model, item number, and Embraer 175. Top, Gemini200, adult clippable model, 1 in contains small parts, unsuitable for children under 14 years of age. Yes, if you are a 7-year-old, do not buy this, but you can if you want to, if you have money. I don't know. And we have a barcode in case you're in an in-person store. Left side of the box, same thing as the right. Logo, clip art, aircraft, item number. Back here, we got Gemini200 logo, as real as it gets, which was trademarked. What might be propaganda. No, just kidding. Got Gemini Jet social media. Got trademark of Alaska Airlines right there. Made in China. 2023 Gemini Jets, Las Vegas, Nevada. And that is the box. Let's get into the model. Alright, let's open this model. As you can see, that magnetic flap is so fun. Here, the top of the foam is off. No, we can't see the aircraft yet. Got the tripod stand, which really sucks. I'd recommend getting a nice stand, just because I can never put my models on there, and I've even damaged some of my models trying to put them on here. And here we have the model. Set it down. And here it is. Beautiful. Alrighty, everyone, here's the model in all its glory. It is super cool. I really like this model already. Now let's get into the details of it. Here on the left side of the aircraft, got the cockpit windows, nose, the gear, and the flap says 652 because the registration is November 652, whatever M is, and kilo. Welcome aboard, One World, and some text I cannot tell from the model itself. Got the Alaska logo in a light, almost like a really light shade of blue, but also gray. Horizon Air embedded with the orange stripe and also the the maroon and burgundy red stripe. Here we have the engine. Then we have the enhanced AV175 winglets right there. We have two antennas on top, a beacon light right here, which you'll see later. And then we have the L2 door, the tail, and then the horizontal stabilizers, and that's technically is a vertical stabilizer. Then we also have the iconic meatball on the retro livery. And now let's see the back. The back is quite simple. You have the APU, vertical stabilizer, horizontal stabilizers, and you can also see the gear down there and the back of the engines. And you can also see the wings and the enhanced winglets a little better. You can see that the pattern, the stripes that are also inside the winglets as well. Super cool feature. Now we got the front of the aircraft. You can see I have the cockpit windows again, the nose. And you can see the front gear. You can also see the beacon light from here, the antennas. And you can have the better view of the engines right here, both right there. We can also see the front of the enhanced winglets of the E175, the horizontal stabilizers, and the vertical stabilizer. Super cool. Now the right side of the model doesn't really differ at all from the left side, but let's go over it anyway. Vertical stabilizer and the iconic meatball. Horizontal stabilizer, APU houser and door, R2 door, and 652 MK, and American flag. Antennas, the wing, the enhanced winglet, the bottom gears here, the engine, the Horizon Air and Alaska logo, R1 door, and cockpit windows, and as well as the front gear. My bad. And here's a bird's eye view of the aircraft. Here an even better view of the beacon light and the antennas, and as well as the wings. You can also see the insides of the winglets and its stripe pattern from the retro livery. You can also see the cockpit windows as well, and a little more of the horizontal stabilizers as well. Very cool. Now we have a bird's eye view of the belly of the aircraft. We have the horizontal stabilizer. We have another APU door, and we can see the stripe from the paint scheme come down here as well. And we also have the bottom tail strike piece, Gemini Jets logo, stand hole, add the gear, as well as the bottom beacon light. You can see the engines more. We can also see the flaps and the ailerons under the wings and the outside of the winglets. The two engines, and we can also see the front gear more, as well as the door as well, and the nose itself. Right here's the Gemini Jets tripod stand. It's really easy to assemble because it comes in 3 parts. You can easily just take the bottom off and on, which is one reason why they're unstable, and I highly don't recommend them. Man, that's already falling apart. But no, I will not show you a view of the aircraft on top of the tripod stand because that is dangerous, and I do not want to damage another model, which I have before, and I do not want to show you that aftermath. But yeah, I do not recommend using the stand. If you somehow get your model on it safely, then cool, but I will say watch out for it because I've had models just fall over before, and that is not good. But yeah, that does wrap it up for the model. Next, I will go over the details of how much it cost, where I got it from, where you can find a bit of a cheaper model. And yeah, thank you for watching. All in all, I'm super glad I got this model, and it continues to add to my Alaska Airlines Gemini200 collection. And yeah, I only collect 1 to 200 scale models for a reason. 1 to 400 they can break more easily, and 1 to 200 looks prettier, but yeah, they are a lot more expensive. They're almost twice as much more than 1 to 400 models. Yeah, and this is why I'm going to tell you where you can get this model. So you can get this off of Gemini Jets website, which is, $90? No, waste of money. Get it off. You can also get it off from a regular retailer like Panda Fox Toys. I'm trying to think of another one, but I only use Panda Fox Toys just because they have free shipping, and the optional models itself are like $20 to $30 less most of the time from the Gemini Jets website. But for Alaska models specifically, you can get these for $40. And here's why. They get, I guess, to just Alaska gets these models cheaper from Gemini Jets, I guess, maybe because they're in a contract or something. So you can find these models cheap on the Alaska Company Store. And you can find the Alaska Company Store by going to their website, scrolling all the way down on the home page, and you should be able to see a sentence that says shop our company store, and click on it and it'll bring you to the Halo website, which is also why the box had said, the tape said Halo and whatnot, because a brand is under Halo Solutions is what it is. But all in all, this model was $47. I don't know how many cents, but it was $47 including shipping and tax. Shipping, it ranges from $5 to $30. I mean, it's mainly like $5 to $7 if you want to wait, just the regular waiting time for 3 to 7 business days, but $30 for if you want it next day shipping. I don't do that because I think it's a waste of money, but all in all, shipping's usually $5 to $7. It was cheaper for me. It's about $5 just because I live in the same state it was shipped from. I believe Halo is based in Kirkland, Washington, and I live in Washington State as well. So it came here really quickly, came here cheaper. But say you're on, like, you live in New York or something, it could be $7. But still, $47, $49 is really good, you're almost saving $50 from the Gemini Jets website. So I highly recommend going there. Some of you may already know about that. And there's only about usually 40 of these that come onto the website, so I recommend getting them quickly. That's what I did. I remember it showed 9 more in stock, but who knows if that's true. But most of the time these leave and go the website quite a bit. But yeah, I highly recommend this model. I love it. I love the retro livery. Love Alaska Airlines. If you love it, I recommend getting your models from the Alaska Company Store. Oh, another thing, it usually does take about an extra 2 months after it's released to actually come to the company store website. That's just because it comes to Alaska as soon as it gets shipped to everyone else that pre-ordered it from the Gemini200 website. But yeah, all in all, that's the model. That's how much it costs. And I thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. I also have more news, but if you're that person who doesn't really care about the channel news, you can leave now. I don't mind. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It helps so much. Thank you. But here's some channel news. So yeah, this model will be in the Portland Gemini Jets Airport updates and the regular Gemini Jets Airport updates. And because 4th of July just happened, and today, actually same day, I just came back from my 9-day trip to Phoenix. That was great. And expect those trip reports to come out in October, November area. But because of that 4th of July sale on Panda Fox Toys, I managed to get 15% off 2 mainline models. One was an American A320. So yes, we'll finally be able to replace that Alaska A320, which those are retired. We can forget about them now, sadly. But we can get rid of the Alaska A320 and the updates. And I'm also getting another model in, which you may be surprised about this, but I got the Avelo 737-800. I'm very excited for that. One reason, just because I love the livery, the purple, the winglets, mainly just because I love the livery. But that model will only show up in regular Gemini Jets updates, not the Portland airport, just because they don't operate to Portland yet. Hopefully they do, but hopefully they will expand their operations more into the Pacific Northwest in the future. But they do serve Redmond and Medford, which are both in Oregon, so hopefully they'll get up to Portland someday. But because that's where my home airport is. But yeah, that model will be coming, as well as the American A320, and of course both 1 to 200 scale. And I think I got both of them combined for $140, which means they're about $70 each. The American A320 was $68 and something cents, and then $66, and then Avelo was $68. And with tax, free shipping. So really good deal if you were able to snag some models from the 4th of July sale at Panda Fox Toys. Good for you. If you missed it, don't worry, they do a Black Friday sale as well. So the only 2 big sales they have every year are Black Friday and 4th of July. So I recommend save your dates for November. But yeah, I'm really glad I got this model. and look forward to 2 more models coming to the updates. And yep, you'll see all 3 of these models in the next updates that will be coming later this month. And I do apologize if I am not responding to comments as much, as my summer is really busy, so won't be able to get to comments as much, won't be able to make, these updates may even become late, but I hope to get these out on the last weekend of July. That's what I plan on having every update. And this unboxing I hope to release on July 8th, Saturday, July 8th. And then the unboxing of the American A320 and available 737-800 will be on July 9th, Sunday, July 9th. And yeah, I'm still, because I just did a change about 2 weeks ago to put all my clips on a separate channel, and all my trip reports, unboxings, airport updates, YouTube shorts, all that still on the main channel, but all the clips are on the other channel, Gemini Aviation Plus. That's going okay, but I'm surprised of the growth in Gemini Aviation Plus already. It's already at 7 subscribers, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it's quite a lot from just starting from scratch a new channel. But it's already gotten, one video almost got 100 views already, and that was just the algorithm doing its thing, so glad that's happening. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Look forward to new updates if you've been paying attention to those, and appreciate you guys staying till the end. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps so much. And if you want to go the extra mile, if you could go to my second channel, Gemini Aviation Plus, and subscribe, that would help so much. Thank you so much for helping me grow my YouTube career, and have a good one.